Use a recipe to visually prepare data in a dataset, preview your changes as you go, and output the results to a new target dataset. You create a recipe in the recipe editor. Here's the preview of the base dataset that you selected when you started the recipe. If it's a little busy here, you can switch to a list view of columns. Here, you can browse columns and hide any that you don't need to work on. In a recipe, you prepare data by either transforming it or enriching it with data from other datasets. Let's go back to the preview to see how to transform data in a column. Start by clicking the column. Select a transformation from the list in the column menu, or choose one of the smart suggestions that Analytics offers you. Here, the lead created date has the time in it, which you don't want, so you can use the substring transformation to take out just the part you need. As you configure the transformation, you get a real-time preview of the result to guide you. When you add the transformation, transformed values appear in a new column, and the transformation appears as a step on the left. The great thing here is that you can edit a step or remove it at any time if you change your mind, so it's a safe place to try things out. For extra help with a field, review the column profile to get a smart summary of the values. The profile shows how many missing values the field has, how often values occur, and it even groups values that Analytics thinks should be the same. The profile is fully interactive. Click a bar or segment to highlight those values in the preview, and get smart suggestions on how to fix them. As well as transforming your existing data, you can also enrich it with data from other datasets. Use the Add Data feature to add new columns, or Append Data to add new rows. When you finish working, you can save the recipe and come back to it later, or go right ahead and create the target dataset. We've only scratched the surface of what you can do in a recipe. To learn more about transforming and enriching your data in a recipe, check out these resources. You can find the links in the short description of this video, or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.